So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back to Secure Tech Academy's Linux series. In this video, we're focusing on how to view the contents of files and make simple edits directly from the command line. Whether you need to quickly check a configuration file or make a minor adjustment, these commands are essential for any Linux user. Let's take a look. The cat command is one of the simplest ways to view the entire contents of a text file. Short for concatenate, cat will take the file you specify and display its entire content directly on your terminal. For example, if you have a file named config.txt, typing cat config.txt will show you everything inside that file. Be mindful when using cat with very long files, as it can quickly flood your terminal output. For viewing longer files, the less command is often a more user-friendly alternative to cat. The less command allows you to scroll through the file content page by page. You can move forward and backward using the spacebar and the B key, respectively. To search for specific text within the file, you can press the / key followed by your search term. To quit less, simply press the Q key. This makes it much easier to examine large configuration files or log files. When you need to make quick edits to text files directly in the terminal, Nano is a great option. It's a simple and beginner-friendly text editor. To open a file with Nano, you type nanofilename.txt. Once the file is open, you can navigate using the arrow keys and make your changes. Important commands are displayed at the bottom of the screen, often using the caret symbol to represent the control key. For example, $X means Control-X to exit, and you'll be prompted to save if you've made changes. For more advanced users, Vim is a powerful and highly configurable text editor. While it has a steeper learning curve than Nano, Vim offers a wide range of features and efficiencies for editing text. To open a file with Vim, you type vim /filename.txt. The operation Vim operates in different modes. The command mode allows you to navigate and execute commands, while insert mode, entered by pressing I, allows you to type text. You'll need to learn specific commands to save, which is :W, and quit, which is :Q, and perform other editing tasks. So, to recap, cat is for quickly displaying the entire content of a file, less is for viewing long files page by page, Nano is a simple terminal-based text editor for basic edits, and Vim is a powerful modal text editor for more advanced editing tasks. Choosing the right tool depends on your needs and familiarity with the commands. Mastering these commands for viewing and editing files is a fundamental skill in Linux. You'll find yourself using them frequently for inspecting configuration files, reading logs, and making quick changes. In our next video, we'll move on to managing files and directories, covering commands for copying, moving, renaming, and deleting files and folders. That concludes this video. Great work! Next up, managing files and directories in Linux. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in